Greetings, my dear students. Patterns and indicators are another tool of technical analysis, and support level and resistance level are one among them. Today, I'd like to discuss with you the topic support level and resistance level. The concepts of support level and resistance level are the most highly discussed attributes of technical analysis. The concept of trading level support and resistance are used by traders to refer to price levels on charts that tend to act as barriers, preventing the price of an asset from getting pushed in a certain direction. And support level is a price level where a downtrend can be expected to pause due to a concentration of demand or buying interest. Support level is the level that the technical analyst believes a stock price will not fall below. This is a support level. And at this level, demand is strong enough to prevent the price from declining further. That means if there is bearish tendency or when price of a security decrease, investor will expect a further price decline. So they will sell shares. Then the supply will increase. When there is abundant supply, price will decrease again. But when it reaches support level, investor or technical analyst believes that the price will not fall below that. So they expect a price hike. Then they will purchase shares to make profit out of it by selling it for high price. Buying shares means demand will increase and it prevents the price from falling below support level. Means when demand increase, price will increase. So it will not fall below support level. Okay. And the next one is resistance level. Resistance occurs where an uptrend is expected to pause temporarily due to a concentration of supply. Resistance levels are also regarded as a ceiling because these price levels represent areas where a rally runs out of gas. This level is the level that the technical analyst believes a stock price will not go beyond a particular limit. It is opposite to support level. This is the resistance level and it is the price level at which the selling is strong enough to prevent the price from rising further. Okay, that means if there is a bullish tendency or when price of a stock increase, investor will expect a further price hike and buy more. Then the demand will increase and price also increase. But at resistance level, investor or technical analyst believes that the price will not go beyond that because it's a very high price. So they will not expect further price hike and expect a price fall. Then they will sell the shares. Selling shares means supply will increase and it prevents the price to go beyond the resistance level. Okay, so these are all about support level and resistance level. Thank you.